टेलीविज़न केवल समाचार नहीं है, टेलीविज़न के साथ बहुत कुछ जुड़ा है।
हम दूरदर्शन यानी टीवी को रेडियो से अलग कर रहे हैं।
Truthful, paragon of virtue, showcasing the beauty and glory of our land. Three beautiful words that have for centuries been ingrained into the Indian psyche. Yes, we are Doordarshan. Our momentous journey began on the 15th of September 1959. The transmission started on an experimental basis with a mission to provide education, information and entertainment, became a vital tool of development for the nation. The nation started evolving. Regular transmission started in 1976.
In the beginning, television transmission was limited to half an hour, twice a week, with the program content reflecting the developmental priorities of the nation. Almost unnoticed at first, news in Hindi made a humble beginning in 1965 with a short daily bulletin and the transmission limited to a very short range in the vicinity of the national capital. Perspective generated great interest during the Indo-Pak War in 1971 and encouraged producers to extend its duration and telecast news analysis live. Television was confined to Delhi and adjacent areas for 13 years before a second centre was established in Bombay.
आज हम दूरदर्शन यानी टीवी को रेडियो से अलग कर रहे हैं।
सवाल पूछा गया क्या आप पुलिस ऑफिसर हैं? जी हाँ।
क्या जगह? आप पुलिस कमिश्नर भिंडर साहब हैं? वो आई थी।
मेजर गगारिन और श्रीमती गगारिन, हमें बड़ी खुशी है कि आप दोनों यहाँ आए।
Colour was introduced on the eve of the Asian Games. The first telecast in colour took place on the 15th of August 1982 when the national programme started. The coverage of the Asian Games was a spectacular success, contributing significantly to the impact of television. The Indian victory in the Cricket World Cup provided it with opportunities to showcase remarkable Indian achievements. DD2 was launched in 1984. For the first time, viewers were exposed to the works of great masters of world cinema.
T'as jamais eu tellement envie d'être actrice finalement?
Je veux un métier, il me plaisait.
अरे वकीलगंज कोनो छोटी जगह नहीं छे, वकीलगंज कहाँ?
The pioneering program was Hum Log, a Hindi soap opera that highlighted the challenges of social change in a tradition-bound society. Ramayan and Mahabharat, based on the epics, were real blockbusters, big-budget productions cast in the mold of mythological films, replete with period costumes, majestic sets and dazzling special effects. Bharat Ek Khoj, directed by Shyam Benegal, was based on Jawaharlal Nehru's The Discovery of India and enlivened audiences with imaginative recreations of the past.
नियमों का पालन करेगा और व्यवस्था को बनाएगा गणाधिपति।
हजम का बच्चा, घमंडी कहीं का।
सरकार से हमें कोई लेना देना नहीं है।
टेलीविजन केवल समाचार नहीं है, टेलीविजन के साथ बहुत कुछ जुड़ा है।
राखी सावंत अपने आप में खबर है, मैं उसको खबर की दृष्टि से देखता हूँ।
अभी तो मैं जवान